Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download a file on AOL Mail. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the AOL Mail app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Inbox, Home, Receipts, and Subscriptions. Tap on the Inbox, then open the mail that has the file that you want to download. Now tap on the file to open it. Once you do that, in couple seconds, you're going to be able to tap on the share icon on the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead, tap on the share icon, then you'll see a menu appearing from the bottom of your screen. From there, go ahead and select Save to Files. Then tap on Save from the top right corner, and guys, that's it. That's how you download a file on AOL Mail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.